children, how are you? Hope you all are fine. તો હવે તમે બધા તમારી ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં જુઓ. Listen, recite and enjoy the poem. So now I'm going to recite the poem. So listen it and enjoy the poem. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody says, "Yes, please," the rebel says, "No, thank you." It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be ours. So, have you enjoyed the poem?
ચાલો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, હવે આપણે આ કાવ્યનું શ્રવણ કરીશું.
When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody's praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody says, "Yes, please," the rebel says, "No, thank you." It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be ours. You may not find it very good to be ours.
Activity 2. Read and understand the dialogue. In this dialogue, mother and her son is there.
Ramesh, here is your new t-shirt.
That's nice. Thank you.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Okay, such type of dialogues are there. I'm going to show you. તમારે એને complete કરવાના છે. Let's start. Rani, here is your new frock. Suppose instead of Rani you are there. તમે છો. How will you reply? Yes, very good. That's nice. Thank you. Very good answer. Are you happy? What will you reply? Yes, I am. If you are happy, you can reply, yes, I am. But if you are not, then no, I am not. કોઈક વાર ન ગમે તો you can say no, I am not. But if our dear person brings something, we should be always happy. So friends, have you seen? This dialogue is about if someone brings something for you, how will you reply? Okay, let's see second dialogue.
Can you climb Girnar?
Yes, I can.
Are you confident?
Yes, I am.
Students, do you know about Girnar? Yes, it is mountain in Junagadh. Right. And they are talking regarding climb that mountain. I have such type of dialogues for you. So let's see that dialogues and you have to give the response. Let's see. Can you ride a bicycle? Just tell me, can you ride a bicycle? Oh, yes, I can. So, you can ride a bicycle. Very good. Are you sure? Yes, I am. So, everyone is sure that they can ride a bicycle. Very nice. Okay, now tell me, can you drive a car? No, I can't, you reply. Are you sure? Yes, I am. I know you are younger now. After 18 years, you can ride a car also. Fine. Students, let's see third dialogue.
Neha, where are you?
I'm here, Papa.
This is your result.
I can't believe
Why?
I guessed less marks.
સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ આવું તમારી સાથે પણ બને છે ને એક્ઝામમાં we guessed less marks but we got good marks. Why? Because we work hard. Okay, very good. Now such type of dialogues are there for you. Let's see. Rani, where are you? Suppose someone calling you, where are you? Then what will you reply? I am here, mom. Because here your mom is calling you. Fine. Rani, here is halwa for you. What will you reply? I can't believe, mom. Thank you so much. Are you happy? Yes, mom. Have you seen? Mom prepared halwa for you. And you are very excited and happy. Let's see fourth dialogues.
Joseph, have you seen that film?
Yes, I have.
What's your opinion?
I was bored.
Why?
There were many scenes of fighting.
It's your view.
Students, you are also talking regarding films, any other things. Then how to discuss? Now you can understand. Okay? I have other dialogues for you. Let's see. Meet, have you read this book? What will you reply? If you read it, you can say, yes, I have. If you don't, then you can say, no, I haven't. Very good. What's your opinion? Someone is asking your opinion. How will you reply? It was good. If you like, you can say it was good. Why? There were many comic scenes in the book. Suppose this book is about comedy, then you like. Someone likes suspense books. Okay, so it's up to you, it's your opinion. So whatever you like, you can say. Students, we read 4 dialogues and I think you understand all.
Now, please open your textbook and page number 26 and see the activity number 3. Student, identify these all smileys. Here, activity number 3. Read the instruction. Here are some smiley. Write a proper word under each smiley. The words are given below in the bracket. Student, what do you think about the first smiley? Think about the first smiley. Yes, the first one is happy. Now, write down the happy under the smiley. Student, what do you think about the second smiley? Yes, it is cold. Now, write down cold. Very nice. Student, what do you think about the third smiley? Think about it. Yes, it is guilty. Very nice. Write down guilty. Student, look at this smiley. What do you think about this smiley? Yes, you are right. It is satisfied. Very good. Now, write down the word. Very good. Now, what do you think about the second smiley? Think about it. Yes, it is bored. Very good. Now, write down the board. Now, what do you think about the third smiley? Think about it. Okay, very nice. It is for the feeling of, yes, surprise. Now, write down the word surprise. Very good. It is for the feeling of surprised. Very good. And what do you think about this smiley? Yes, it is for the feeling of lonely. Very good. Now, write down the word lonely. Very good. Excellent. Student, what do you think about this smiley? Yes, it is for the feeling of confidence. Very good. Now, write down the word confident. It is for the feeling of confident. Very good. Now, what do you think about the last smiley? Think about it. Yes, it is for the feeling of sad. When you feel sad, you also look like this. Yes. Now, write down sad. Student, have you understood all these things? Very nice.
Now, let's open the text page number 27, activity 4. Let's read activity 4A. Work in pairs. Read and understand the dialogue. Enact the dialogue in the class. Form another dialogue with the help of words given in the bracket.
Good afternoon, Auntie.
Good afternoon. Where are you going?
I am going to the market.
Will you bring some sugar for me?
Why not? How much, Auntie?
2 kgs, please.
Sure. See you.
Dear friends, we have read the dialogue. Now, let's form another dialogues using the words given in the bracket below the dialogue. Now, dear students, using the words milk, sweet, tea, vegetables, key, wheat, we have to form another dialogues. Let's form a dialogue. Let's see the dialogue of Pinky and Maitri. Pinky says, Good evening, Maitri. Maitri says, Good evening, where are you going? Pinky says, I am going to the market. Maitri says, Will you bring some gift for me? Pinky says, Of course. How much? Maitri says, 500 grams, please. Pinky says, Sure. Anything else? Maitri says, No, thanks. Dear friends, this is a dialogue between Pinky and Maitri. Now let's see another dialogue using another words given bracket. Let's see another dialogue between Sejal and Tejal. Sejal says, Good afternoon, Tejal. Tejal says, Good afternoon. Where are you going? Sejal says, I am going to the market. Tejal says, Will you bring some milk for me? Sejal says, Why not? How much, Tejal? Tejal says, 1 liter, please. Sejal says, Sure. See you. Now, dear friends, we have read the dialogue and we also enjoyed 2 dialogues, and we also formed another dialogues using 2 words. You have to form another dialogues using another words given in the bracket. Now let's read the second dialogues, page number 28.
Hi Vijay, ready for the eating competition?
Yes, ready.
What will you eat?
I will eat laddus.
How many laddus can you eat?
5.
I can't believe. Are you sure?
Yes, I am confident.
The words given in the bracket are roti, gulab jamun, pizza, mango, banana. So you have to use these all words to form other dialogues. I have made one example for you using the word gulab jamun. Aarti says, Hi Jay, ready for the eating competition? Jay says, Yes, ready. Aarti says, What will you eat? Jay says, I will eat gulab jamun. Aarti says, How many gulab jamun can you eat? Jay says, 4. Aarti says, I can't believe. Are you sure? Jay says, Yes, I am confident. So dear students, this is dialogues about gulab jamun. And for asking questions, how many used? Have you learnt how many? How many used for countable nouns, and gulab jamun can be counted. So how many is used?
Now, children, look into your textbook and open page number 28. There is a activity 4B given on that page. I will make a model reading of it. You just listen it carefully.
In a garment shop.
Mummy, look! What an arrangement!
Yes, dear. Which t-shirt do you like?
The black one.
Why?
It's a perfect match for my jeans.
Nice choice.
Thank you.
Now, my dear children, we will learn the second dialogue.
In a provision shop.
Excuse me.
Yes, little pretty doll. What can I do for you?
My mother wants red buttons for my dress.
How many buttons does your mother want?
She wants 1 dozen.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Now, children, form new dialogue with the help of words given in the bracket. Here are keywords given in your textbook: jeans, shirt, salwar kameez, Punjabi dress, sugar, biscuits, tea, wheat, chocolates and compass box. Children, use these words in place of this word and frame one new dialogue in your notebook. See this. In a garment shop, Jia says to Mummy, look. What an arrangement. Rekha Ben says, yes, dear. Which Punjabi dress do you like? Jia says, the pink one. Rekha Ben says, why? Jia says, it's a perfect match for my earrings. Rekha Ben says, nice choice. Jia says, thank you. Now children, I will frame one other dialogue using the word chocolates. See this. You can also write with me. Swara says, excuse me. Shopkeeper says, yes, little pretty doll, what can I do for you? Swara says, my mother wants chocolates for my friends. Shopkeeper says, how many chocolates does your mother want? Swara says, she wants one packet. Shopkeeper says, Here you are. Swara says, Thank you. જુઓ બાળ દોસ્તો, ઇન અ ગાર્મેન્ટ શોપ ડાયલોગમાં મેં અમુક શબ્દો બદલ્યા છે. અહીંયા તમે જુઓ, મેં અહીંયા પંજાબી ડ્રેસ, પિંક, ઇયરિંગ્સ આ બધા નવા શબ્દોનો ઉપયોગ કરી અને એક નવો ડાયલોગ બનાવ્યો છે. તમે પણ જીન્સ, શર્ટ, સલવાર કમીઝ જેવા શબ્દોનો ઉપયોગ કરીને આ રીતનો નવો ડાયલોગ બનાવી શકો છો. And in the same way, I have used this word like chocolates, my friends, one packet to create this dialogue. My friends, you can also make this type of dialogue by using different words. Dear children, now I think you all are understand that our dialogues may differ with the situation and place given. Now my friends, I have one home task for you. Please see this. You have to frame dialogues at railway station and at bank. So my dear children, I hope you like this lesson. Keep practicing at home and try to speak in English at home. See you soon. Till then, bye bye. Have a good day ahead.
Today's question. Identify the mood. અહીં જે ચિત્ર આપ્યું છે તેમાં કયો મૂડ છે તે ઓળખવાનો છે. તેના ઓપ્શન્સ છે ઓપ્શન A એંગ્રી, ઓપ્શન B હેપી, ઓપ્શન C sad, option D satisfied. So choose your correct answer and give your response to this toll-free number 6357399488.